What's up, happy family? Crossman sent us for free this Game Face AP13. Let's open it up. With the gun, you get one magazine, one 7.2 volt 500 milliamp battery, one dock for when you're charging the battery, one charger, pack of BBs, a speed loader, an unjamming / cleaning rod, and 2 instruction manuals, one in English and one in a foreign language. This gun is an electric airsoft pistol, meaning it is powered using a rechargeable battery. It can fire on semi and full automatic. To charge the battery, you take the battery charging dock, and with the arrow on the battery pointing down, you slide the battery into the dock. Then you use the charger and connect it into the dock, and you charge this battery between 4 to 8 hours. To load the magazine, this is a 30-round magazine. You pull down on the follower and you load up to 30 BBs from the top here using the speed loader. To insert the magazine into the gun, you just insert it into the mag well. You press the magazine release to take out the magazine. This is not very realistic because it is battery powered, so you can't rack the slide or do anything with it. It's mostly plastic with metal pieces. On the left side here, we have a safety. Up for fire, down for safe. On this side, we have a selector switch. Up for semi-automatic, down for fully automatic. To insert the battery, you press back here. This is actually a button on this gun. And you lift the slide up and out. You can adjust the hop up here, turning this dial backwards for more hop and forwards for less hop. And you can insert the battery with the arrow pointing inwards into the right side of the gun. And to take the battery out, you pull down on this lever and it ejects the battery out. So I'm gonna charge the battery and then come back to shoot this. Okay guys, the battery's charged and I got a haircut and we're ready to chronograph the pistol with 0.2 gram BBs. .212, 212, 141, 157, 164, 209, 209, 206, 206, 206. Well, this shoots at about 200 FPS, so it's really not very powerful compared to most other airsoft guns. Let's shoot it now. Recording. It's recording right now?
Yeah.
This doesn't have a nose bar, it's really uncomfortable. It's too low on your eyebrows, you can't see anything up.
It's okay.
So let's first just take some shots of Jackson. counted it with your feet? That can't be accurate. Yeah, but how do you know that that's 3 feet?
15 yards away. Probably more, really.
Ready? I'm about 15 yards away, and we're gonna shoot this little EVIC target and test it for accuracy.
Okay, don't shoot yet. Mama, zoom in on the EVIC target and then zoom back out. So you can see like that and then zoom back out.
Wow. Now that I'm recording, something will finish.
Now here's some video with the aim cam and a run cam mounted on the gun. Here's shooting Jackson at approximately 100 feet. Okay, happy family, it's shout-out time. First shout-out goes to Eason Liu. The next shout-out goes to Sava286, and thanks for the compliment. The next shout-out goes to Len Ferreria. The next shout-out goes to Classy Dachi, and thanks for the love. The next shout-out goes to AAR Cool, and thanks for the love. The next shout-out goes to Owen is a Pros channel. The next shout-out goes to Minecraft Slayer. The next shout-out goes to Rihanna Nasli. The next shout-out goes to Tandem Powers. And the last shout-out goes to Exploring with Brian. Okay, happy family, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications button. Be happy. Peace out.